Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right driver because latency stems from driver inefficiency. Open FL Studio, go to Options Audio Settings, and set Device to an ASIO driver. Once selected, make sure your audio interface sample rate and FL Studio's sample rate match. Mismatches create buffer drift. Also, quit web browsers, DAW, and Bluetooth audio to free CPU and USB bandwidth. This primes the engine, so the next tuning steps actually reduce perceptible delay rather than masking system issues. Now you adjust buffer and driver options to balance latency and stability. In audio settings, open the ASIO control panel and lower the buffer size. Try 64, 128, or 256 samples and test. If you get audio glitches, increase slightly. Stability matters. Disable plug-in delay compensation while testing playback latency to isolate buffer effects. Make sure triple buffer is off unless needed for stability. It adds latency. Once you can play with acceptable clicks, lock these settings. Finish by removing plug-in-induced latency and compensating inputs. You can freeze or render CPU-heavy instruments to audio, which eliminates their real-time cost. Replace high-latency plugins with low-latency alternatives, or enable wrapper settings that delay compensate less aggressively. Then use Options Audio Show ASIO panel or FL's latency test to measure remaining input/output offset and enter compensation values if needed. If problems persist, reboot audio interface drivers and try a different USB port. One key troubleshooting tip that often fixes hidden USB bandwidth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.